Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the November 2024 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. The Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads. Each box also contains a findings starter kit, which makes it really handy. You can pretty much make pieces of jewelry directly from the box. It's $20 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. I think they only ship in the United States. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. So it's always curated around a different theme each month, and this month the theme is in the jungle. So I'm going to open it up here and we'll take a little peek, and then I'll sort it all out. So there's a look at the beads. Those are some pretty beads. Some jungle colored beads, I guess. So hold on, I'll get that all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got it all sorted out now. And I always start with the findings starter kit. This month it's in gold. It always alternates between silver and gold. So there's some stretchy string, some bead stringing wire, and some memory wire. And then there's some crimp beads, not crimp tubes, but crimp beads. And some jump rings, some lobster clasps, some fishhook ear wires, and some head pins. So like I said, that makes it really easy to make pieces just directly from the box. You just need some jewelry tools. First in the strands is an 8-inch strand of 10mm soft gold glass pearl beads. And these are just really, really pretty. I love this color. It's just such a pretty color. Soft gold. And then next is an 8-inch strand of 10mm soft green glass pearl beads. So we've got soft gold and soft green. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 6-inch strand of 10mm brown spot marble style glass beads. Those are really pretty. Love that design. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm light brown crackle glass beads. I guess I need to zoom out a little. This strand is pretty long. See if I can get it all coiled up in my hand here. Probably cannot. And those are just really pretty with that crackle effect on the inside there. A pretty color of brown. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6mm grass green crackle glass beads. Those are really pretty too. It's probably a little bit harder to see that crackle effect in the smaller beads, but it's in there. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 6mm khaki / red swirl marble style glass beads. Those are really pretty. They almost look like gemstones. They're not. They're glass beads, but they almost look like gemstones to me. These are just really pretty. And then last in the strands is a 10-inch strand of 6mm black onyx gemstone beads. Sometimes they'll put some gemstone beads in here, not always, but sometimes. And this time we've got some black onyx. Really, really pretty beads. And then next is approximately 1 ounce's Savannah glass bead mix. And this is just a mix of all different shapes and sizes of beads. There's a big rondelle there. Well, it's not huge, but it's kind of big. And there's one that's got the hole at the top there. And there's a bead with the hole through the center like that, or through the back, I guess. That's really neat. There's a big back hole. It's probably about a 6mm. And there's a smaller rondelle. There's all kinds of pretty beads in there. And then next are 3 10mm black onyx gemstone beads. Oops. Those are some big chunky beads. And I had a pin laying out here and I don't know what I did with it. There it is. That's what those are like. Really pretty. And then next are 6 10 by 6mm gold metal spacer beads. And these are just really pretty. I like that design on them. I've got a fairly big hole. Yep. Just trying to get them to set apart a little so you could see them better, and I dropped them off my pen. There we go. Those are just really pretty. There's 6 of those. And then next are 30 6mm gold metal bead caps. And there's 30 of them. And these are just really nice. I like these. That's what those are like. That's the back. That's, or the inside, I guess, and that's the outside. Those are really neat. 30 of those. And then it says again, 30 6mm gold metal bead caps, but I would describe these as spacer beads, not bead caps. That's what it says on the box. It says bead caps. But these are like the little daisy spacers. Y'all know I love spacers and bead caps and all kinds of metal to go in my pieces of jewelry. I just can't seem to help it, but to put all kinds of metal into my jewelry pieces. And then last is a 60 by 50mm elephant gold metal pendant. And that's just really pretty, and that would definitely make a statement necklace. And he's got all kinds of little holes in him here. You could probably maybe glue some beads in there or something. Or if you were way more talented than me, you could probably wire wrap some beads in there, but I'm not that good at wire wrapping. But there's all kinds of holes in there you could probably do something like that with. And that's what the back looks like. So that's really neat. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the November 2024 Curated Bead box. All the beads anyway. I don't have the finding starter kit out here, but all the beads and the loose findings and everything that were in there. These are some really pretty beads. I can't wait to see what I can make with these beads. I know I haven't made anything with either one of the last two Curated bead boxes. I have just been really, really busy with work assignments, and that really upsets me when it interferes with my beading, but it's necessary if I'm going to pay my bills. So I've just not had much time to do anything with them. I have made at least one piece from the last couple of Curated bead boxes. I've just been trying to make pieces between work assignments that I plan to come back and do a finished jewelry video with. It's just quicker to make them without doing the video. I really enjoy doing the videos, but it's just quicker, and I don't have a lot of time right now. So I've been trying to make pieces that I can do a finished jewelry video with. Hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. And I've been really busy trying to get ready for this craft fair that I'm going to do at the beginning of December. And it's just a really busy time, I guess. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the Curated bead box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.